1948. We're running a friggin' battery, Dad. You gotta choke that thing every time you start it. Gotta be choked every time. 1948 John Deere M coffee scratcher. I'm gonna try to drive it, I guess. Idle down a little for me. Try to drive her, you see how he does. But you don't run your feet over. Turn your wheel, Lee. There you go, young boy on a John Deere 48M coffee tractor. We're going to take it to Daddy today. We did a bunch of work on that thing. It had some trade wires in it, so we rewired a little bit. Turn the other way, Lee. Turn it the other way. Young boy going to try to drive it up the ramp like the young boy can. You want to see, right? You want to drive it up on the trailer?
I don't let you do that.
Yeah. All right, pull her up. Tractor's got a lot of history to it. It was bought probably 50 years ago by my father, and he's been running it for 50 years. We had to do some work. We did a paint job on it about 6-7 years ago. New tires on the front. And, like I said, we just rewired again. It wasn't running right. Boss man there says it needs a valve job sooner or later, but we're going to see what happens. He's going to take me now. I'm going to run it up on a trailer, I guess. Here you are, Monster Man. Monster Man's going to take over. Let's see. Here he is. Monster Man. Take it over, Monster Man. You zoomed it, I think.